Hello, in this video I'm going to show how you can make notes in Notion. So this isn't going to be like an in-depth guide really, it's just going to be a quick tutorial on how to make notes. But the first thing you want to do is create page up here. Now as you can see, it created a new page. And now you can basically write whatever you want. I just wrote a bunch of random stuff, but that's basically the title. So now you can write whatever you want here, click enter. And it's basically like a regular document, just more for notes. As you can see here, if you click space, you can get AI, or you can click the slash, and that'll give you several options here. So if you want like other headings, bullet lists, like a quote, there's all kinds of different things you can do here. So yeah, it helps a lot. And one thing I like to use a lot is divider, so you can divide your notes. And also, if you want to create new pages in a page, you can click this and click page here. This will actually create a whole nother page. If you go back here, you'll see your pages here. You can just type whatever title you want. So yeah, that's about it for this quick tutorial. There's other features, of course, I can go over in another video, but these are the basics, really. So, thanks for watching.